Virtual Education Library. Today I am going to tell you 20 reasons why teachers should learn to code. Coding is becoming an increasingly important skill for teachers in today's digital age. By learning to code, teachers can provide their students with a more comprehensive and engaging education that better prepares them for the world they will encounter in the future. So here are some reasons why. The first is that coding will help teachers to teach technology. Technology is a vital part of modern education, and teachers who can code are better equipped to teach students how to use technology effectively. They can create digital resources, interactive lessons, and educational apps that enhance the learning experiences. Developing critical thinking skills. Learning to code requires developing critical thinking skills, problem solving abilities, and logical reasoning. Teachers who know how to code can use these skills to design more engaging and challenging lessons that encourage students to think critically and creatively. Personalized learning. Teachers who can code can create personalized learning experiences for their students. They can use data analysis to track student progress and tailor lesson plans to meet individual needs. This can help students to learn at their own pace and in a way that works best for them. Preparing students for the future. Many of the jobs of the future will require some level of coding proficiency. Teachers who can code can better prepare their students for the job market by teaching them relevant skills that will be in demand. Encouraging innovation. Teachers who can code can foster innovation in their classrooms by creating projects that require students to use coding skills to solve problems or create something new. This can help to inspire creativity and foster a sense of curiosity and experimentation among students. Enhancing collaboration. Coding can be a collaborative activity that requires teamwork and communication. Teachers who can code can create coding clubs or coding challenges that foster a sense of community and collaboration among students. Improving classroom management. Coding can be used to develop classroom management tools that help teachers to manage their classrooms more effectively. For example, teachers can use coding to create interactive seating charts, digital hall passes, or behavior tracking systems. Encouraging creativity. Coding can be a creative endeavor that allows teachers to experiment with new ideas and approaches. Teachers who can code can create unique digital resources that engage and inspire their students. Addressing equity. Coding can help to address equity issues in education by providing all students with access to technology and digital resources. Teachers who can code can create resources that are accessible to all students regardless of their backgrounds or abilities. Building STEM skills. Coding is a critical component of STEM, and STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics education. Teachers who can code can create STEM related lessons that integrate coding into the curriculum. Facilitating remote learning. Coding can be used to create online learning resources that enable remote learning. Teachers who can code can create digital resources such as interactive whiteboards that allow them to teach from anywhere in the world. Encouraging lifelong learning. Learning to code is a lifelong skill that can benefit teachers throughout their careers. Teachers who can code can continue to develop their skills and create new resources that keep their classrooms innovative and engaging. Preparing students for competitive exams. Coding is an important component of many competitive exams such as the SET, SET, and LSAT. Teachers who can code can provide their students with the skills and knowledge needed to succeed on these exams. Addressing 21st century skills. Coding is a critical component of 21st century skills such as digital literacy, critical thinking, and problem solving. Teachers who can code can help their students develop these skills by integrating coding into their lessons. Building professional networks. Coding can be a great way for teachers to connect with other educators and build professional networks. Teachers who can code can join online communities or attend coding workshops to connect with the other educators who share their interests and passions. Improving communication. Coding can help to improve communication between teachers and students. Teachers who can code can use chatbots or other communication tools to facilitate communication with their students. Developing problem solving skills. Coding requires a problem solving mindset, and teachers who can code can use this mindset to create problem based learning activities that challenge students to think critically and creatively. Increasing efficiency. Coding can be used to automate routine tasks such as grading or record keeping. Teachers who can code can create scripts or tools that can help them save time and work more efficiently. Encouraging continuous improvement. Coding can help teachers to track student progress and identify areas for improvement. Teachers who can code can use data analysis to evaluate students' performance and adjust their teaching strategies accordingly. Enhancing teacher empowerment. Learning to code can be empowering for teachers. Teachers who can code can take control of their classrooms, innovate their teaching methods, and design engaging and interactive lessons that benefit their students. Good coding knowledge is simply understanding the functionality of our technologies daily. Since technology has become an essential part of life, mainly in the last couple of years, technology can continue to connect with each other. It is the way we can continue to learn, and it is the way we can continue to enjoy ourselves. Thus, it is fruitful to understand the expertise of technology and benefits of that in the education system. So, because of these reasons, coding is important for teachers. But let me know in the comment what are your views. Should teachers learn to code? If yes, why? Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe Virtual Education Library. Thank you.